Welcome back to my channel. Well, in this video, I'll be showing you how to, trade the break and retest strategy with an edge over in the market. Well, this is something that I've, gone through the charts. I've gone through several charts and I've, done it for in a while. And I've seen that this phenomenon actually repeats itself almost every single time in the market. So it's just an idea that I want to share here. I'm not a professional trader. I don't do this myself. What I trade is support and resistance. I'm not asking you to trade this. I'm just telling you, I'm just sharing my idea here with you. This is what the channel is for. So what this is about, what this strategy, how this strategy works is, it is the break and retest strategy. So you're going to see levels being formed. The levels break. Then when the market pulls back up to retest those levels, you're looking for trades from those levels. But now, the market will often provide you with more than just one level. The question now is, which of those levels should you pick? Because if you come right here and you pick this level, the market taps you in that trade, sweeps your stop loss, and go down to your initial direction. Have you ever heard of liquidity sweep, liquidity grab in the market? Like at resistance, you see price will come there and consolidate for a bit, then spike up, stop you out of the trade, stop everybody else out in that trade, then go down. That's what this strategy actually does. So right here, we have one level, we have two level. What differentiates this level from this one is this level is the last structure low that broke the structure high. This low is where the other block is. So institutional traders usually, highlight this area here that broke structure as the other block to sell from. But what we're going to do here today is, since we are trading the break and retest, we don't trade other blocks. Instead of taking this low, we'll pick this low to trade from. So right here, we have our low to trade from. I'm going to show you this example on real charts. Okay, let me just go through this demonstration here real quick. So there you have it. This low is the high probability low because this low is responsible for the highest point in this market and not this one. No matter how sexy looking this one may be, don't take here. If you take here, your stop loss has to be above somewhere up. Yeah. But if you want to get a sniper entry, you should probably get a trade here. It's better. It might come here, do something like camouflage, just pretend like it's going down. When you scale in, it goes up and takes your money and be like, yeah, screw you. So to avoid that, just take the highest probability zone, be selective. That's what makes some traders, slightly profitable than the others because they select their trades properly. Okay, then we have here. We see here that the market pulled up, pretended to tap in on this low here, and people stepped in here, and this high stops people that entered here, and then you now are entering here, and you broke structure. We have a higher low here. We have a higher low, and we have a lower low. So people come and take this lower low here because it's, it's stronger looking than this one. I mean, sorry, people come on here and be confused which of these lows to pick. But you pick the low that's responsible for the highest high in the market. Even if the low is lower than all the lows or the low is higher, I don't care how the low is. This is where your eyes are. This is what you want to concentrate on. Focus on this high. Who broke this high? Who has which low produced the move that's responsible for the highest point in that swing? This low is responsible for that. So this is your high probability zone. You sell from here. Okay. And what I usually target in the market is how I target. I always say this is my trade, so that if you're watching my videos, you should not be left out. I always target 1:2. That is what I target. But if I see that there is a big, if I just feel like I didn't want to do it, I do it. Okay, just do what you want. This is just what I do. Just in case you want to ask me in the comment section. I've already mentioned it. Yes, and I repeat, guys, I'm not teaching you anything to go and do. Okay, I'm just sharing my ideas with you. And I need you to, tell me what you think about this. Comment down below if you would want to, go on your charts and check it out for yourself, or you just, ignore it because really, I don't know what I'm doing here. Like I said, I'll still repeat again. I'm a support and resistance trader. Okay, you can check all my videos That's what I do, and I do it well. I do it very, very well. We started this channel 3 weeks ago, and we already have close to 400 subscribers. It's crazy. That's because I am very, 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 very good at what I do. Okay, so subscribe. Okay, let's go now to real charts and let me show you some real magic. Boom. Here we are on the USD JPY chart, and this is the 4-hour time frame. Okay, you want to be on the 4-hour time frame because the 4-hour time frame has stronger, better levels. I always say this: the 4-hour is just best for levels. So, I'm going to show you how I enter my trades, how I do everything. That's why you're here. Okay. Nothing left behind. I don't sell courses. I don't have any Telegram channel. There's nothing that I'll say, okay, pay me for it before I tell you, okay? Everything that I know here, I'm going to tell you because I don't sell shit. Now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 lows here. And as you can see, this market just broke structure to the downside. Now, which low is responsible for the highest high in this market? This low has its high. This low has its high here. This low has its high. But this low broke structure to the upside, then broke it back to the downside. So the order block is here because it is the last buy to sell move. The banks do this to induce people into buying this market. So they want you to buy so that they will sell. If they want to sell, they need people to sell to, and that's you. So when you get in here, you buy this market, they push it down. So this low is very, very important because that's where big people step in the market. Big institutions get in. So that's a high probability low right there. Now you're looking for a sell. You get right here, you place your sell limit. I don't wait for confirmations. Okay, there's no such thing as confirmations in trading because if you do that, you're going to win some trades, you're going to lose some trades. And if you do what I'm doing, you're still going to lose some trades, win some trades. So why not just, do it the easy way? Why not just do it? Because either way, you're still going to lose, okay? You can't be too careful. Sorry. It's just how trading works. Okay, 162. We're looking for 162. You have to manage your trades. If it's coming back here, consolidating for a bit, you can break even, then, take some profits out of the market, or you risk it all. So we're just going to play price. Now we tapped in. See how that goes. Are we tapped in, really? Oh, nice. Good. So, yeah, that one worked out. We'll keep watching price and see how it goes. See what to do. See if we can grab a few tricks, few examples so you can understand this shit. Then I just want you to watch this, okay? Comment down below. Okay, you see that? See that right there? This move here didn't quite support in because if you were trading this market live, spreads won't allow you to open this trade. It's really, really tight. I think this is actually where we got tapped in this trade. As you can see, when the market tapped in that low, what happened? Look at what it delivered. Okay, so people have different ideas in this market. Somebody will come on here, like the institutional guys, they'll come on here and be like, this is the last consolidation before the big downside move. This is their order block right here. They're looking to sell here, but actually liquidity here has already been taken by this move. So what are you selling? If the market pulls back up here, all liquidity here has been taken, bro. Like, why are you still doing this? The market moves because it's moving to collect liquidity. Okay, that's why the market basically moves. So if it has taken liquidity already, why are you fucking trading? I mean, for them, okay, we don't care about liquidity. We just care about this low that broke this high. So there we have it. The trade was smooth. 1:2, nice and easy. It's not going to be sweet all the time. Okay, so go through your charts. Don't take my word for it. We keep playing price. Okay, first before we play price, let's look here. Let's analyze if the market is to retrace. Where are we exactly selling? You see that we have a low. We have a low that made this high. Another low made this high. But this low here is higher than this one. That's not the problem. But the problem is this low actually swept everything that was up here. People that were selling here were taken out by this move. And this move started from here, meaning the big boys stepped in here. So I will be looking to join the big boys because I don't have money to give them. I'll look for a sell there real quick. Then let's see how if the market pulls back. If it doesn't, then we just keep looking for more levels down. Okay, you can see that there's a lot of momentum just coming from that low, that particular low that we drew in the market. So Okay, let's put a sell limit right there. Stop loss will be just above the zone. We're looking for 1 to 2. Why is this thing? Why does this thing come out so long? I stress. Hopefully this one works out. 1 to 2. Bam. Yeah, I think it worked out. I mean, that's smooth. That's smooth. So we got tapped in right there. Okay, now let me show you what I'll show you on that example. I just saw something here. You see this low that we drew here? You see that it got tapped in here, right? Pretended like it was falling down, produced this massive engulfing red candle. People now be like, okay, that's confirmation. You're taking your trade based on confirmation. This is your entry. Bam, because you're taking this low, beautiful. Or you've highlighted this low and this high, and this is the beginning, or this is the opening of your level. So it tapped in quite well, then rejected. So that's your confirmation. Your stop loss will just be above this high. And you're looking for probably 1:1.5, 1:1, I don't know, 1:2, 5, 10, 1,000. It's your problem, but you lost that trade. On the other hand, I waited for it to come back to my high probability zone, and I took an easy trade without any sort of drawdown. Nice. Okay, we keep playing price. Banks do this all the time, okay? So, make money. So they have to take your money to make money. So it's your choice if you want to give it to them or not. Okay, we have some kind of big move here. Still tapping in this zone. Like, it happens all the time. When it happened here, you saw that the big move appeared. It has tapped in again in our high probability, and the big move has still appeared. It's just it, okay? It happens. I didn't make it, okay? I just saw it. I've just been experiencing this thing too much. But I don't trade this. I do not trade this. I'm not asking you to go now and I'm gonna start trading, oh, please. Okay, I don't trade this. What I trade is support and resistance. Okay. This is just something I've seen in the market, and I want to share I want to ask for your opinions or your ideas on this. Could this actually be a strategy? I don't know. We have a break of structure here. Let's see. I would like to see this thing break even further, because I don't really see any. I'm looking at this low here, but it's not really. It does not really stand out to me as a low. Okay, you see, it didn't hold because it wasn't. Okay. Just so you know, for all support and resistance traders, this high here that produced this massive move, this is our key level, and that's the trade working out right there. Okay, if you go watch my other videos, you see how I draw my levels and how I trade. I've just identified like a trade there. Good. Now we have a break of structure to the downside. Which of these lows are we taking? This low or this one? Well, this low here has been broken quite impulsively to the downside, and if you draw this move like from here up to here, it's quite gappy, and I like it. This low is responsible for this high, and this high is higher than this high, and also higher than this high. So me, I would like to sell here. I like to sell right there. If the market pulls back, I'll take my risk. If I lose, then I'll probably, look for this one or just stay out, since I don't really know how this works. Pardon my chat, guys. Like, this thing cannot run any faster than this. This is the fastest it can go. This is a chatting platform that I use to trade, to back test. Okay, I think we have. Has it tapped out? Saying no, not yet, not yet, not yet. Please, man. Let's stretch it out and just be patient. Okay, don't rush. Don't rush in. Is that our tap? I don't know. Is it? Well, I don't care. It worked out. Yeah, good. You can see right there, man. It works out. It works out. Why did he shy away from this zone? Because this is where the big boys are, not here. Here. So let's just pretend that we took that trade, because I mean, what we're expecting to happen happened. That's what matters. So if you were to do this, you should figure out how you would do it, because nigga, I don't know how this goes. Okay. 1:1, 1:2. I mean, this is just how I'll do it. I'm just pretending I'm trading here. So bam. Okay, that'll be it for this video. I don't want to make this video extremely long to bore the shit out of you. So, but if you want me to keep doing this, or maybe you see some potentials in this strategy, then you should comment down below. Maybe I might do another video on another pair too. verify this. But if you think it's whack, then you should just comment down below, because I myself, I don't really see this as a potential strategy that I can use, because I'm good with support and resistance, and it's been doing me really, really good. I don't think I want to switch. I will not do that. I'm not a strategy prostitute. I'm dedicated to support and resistance, and it works for me. Okay. Besides, let me just this is a good zone here to sell from. If I was trading this live. Boom. Oh my god. You see, support and resistance is key. You understand? It's life. It's like nyash. Look at this. Look at this, guys. I was looking at this thing, okay. I saw this move, this big move here, and I'm like, okay, if because I'm a support and resistance trader, okay, I'm like, if I was in a real life market, I'll be selling here. And before I said it, boom, it just appeared. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's beautiful, guys. Okay, that'll be all. I really enjoyed this session. I don't know if you did, but that's my work strategy. Tell me what you think. It's not a strategy, let me just say it, okay? But we both had fun together. Peace. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, nigga. I'm fun to be with. I'm fun to be around. Watch my videos.